Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how can I adjust brightness on AOC Monitor. So what you'll need to do is find navigation buttons right here, and what you'll need to do is you first see the button where you can shut down your monitor or just turn it off, and right here you'll see the menu button. So click on that one, and here you'll see an arrows. So with those arrows you can just navigate through, and with this button you can press it and it will be exit button. So let's press again the menu button, as you can see. Then you'll need to find with the arrows where it says luminance, so it is already on my screen right here, and press the menu button again. And after that, with arrows you can just navigate and change the brightness. Again with the menu button, press OK, and here you can change the brightness with the arrows. Then press the menu button again, and that's how you can exit if you click on exit button right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.